Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will be seeing how to draw mandala art. Don't worry, it's super easy and beginners friendly. So we'll first see which things we'll need. A simple black gel pen. Then the second thing which we'll need is a compass. Make sure that your compass is super tight and good to draw circles. The third thing which you'll need is a black marker. You can even skip this part, the reason will be told at the end of this video. The next thing which we'll need is a protractor. This is basically used to draw grids which will keep the patterns balanced. One small tip, try to use these types of protractors because this provides you small circles which will help you to draw circles in mandala, because drawing small circles becomes a complex task with the compass, but yes, you can definitely use normal protractors as well. Okay, that's all. Now let's start with the mandala journey. Place your compass at the midpoint of your sheet and start drawing concentric circles as per the size of your mandala. Here I have randomly taken the midpoint. If you want more precise things, then you can go for measurement techniques and find the exact midpoint of your paper. If you want to try out something huge, go for large size grid, otherwise draw your mandala just like I am drawing. Then it will be a small and simple grid having mid-size circles. Firstly, draw a horizontal line through the center point of your circle and divide it into two equal parts. Then use a protractor to mark points of 10 degrees each around the edge of your circle. Once you have marked all the points, use a ruler to draw straight lines from the center through each marked point. I am here skipping this small circle because anyways we are going to draw lotus in this middle part. Place your protractor at the marked points and start drawing straight lines way through the center point of the circle. After completing half of the side, repeat the same process for the other half of your circle. Okay, so our grid is ready. Now we will start drawing lotus into the middle circle. Here's the reference of what we are going to draw. We will draw the exact same lotus like this. This is how our mandala should look like. Now let's start drawing this beautiful lotus. One small reminder, you should always draw gently because in case if you make some mistakes, it would be easy for you to erase those things and correct them. After completing the drawing, we will repeat the same process using a pen. Trace out the lotus pattern and also fill in the remaining spaces around the lotus. Now we will start with the main work, that is to start drawing our mandala patterns. The first pattern is very simple. Draw the round pattern flower petals. Mandala is about filling everything, so here as well we will just add some straight strokes inside this petal. The next pattern is the basic flower pattern. Now repeat the same process for each petal. After that, for drawing the pattern, we need to add the same petal layering. See here, like this. Now repeat the same process. Here's how you should draw the pattern. It is very basic using some slanting lines, just like this. After that, add some curves into your grid. For the next pattern, you need to repeat the exact same thing as the first pattern. All you need to do is just to reverse the pattern. Now for the last pattern, you just need to draw 3 dots and some curved lines. Later on, fill in the remaining spaces and draw a border around it. For the outer pattern, you need to draw small lotuses and curved patterns, and then your mandala is ready. This is our final look, but you can observe here that this mandala looks more bold as compared to this mandala. It is just because I have highlighted this mandala with a bold tip marker. For this purpose, you will need a black marker, otherwise you can even skip this. So, now let's add the final touch to our mandala. Here's the detailed comparison between these mandalas. And finally, our beautiful mandala is ready. Lastly, erase off the grid and your mandala is ready. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thanks for watching.